Breaking the weight loss code. Is keto right for you? Are you tired of yo-yo dieting and fleeting results? Millions struggle with their weight, searching for a sustainable solution. The ketogenic diet, often called keto, offers a refreshing approach. Instead of battling hunger with restrictive calorie counting, keto shifts your body's fuel source. By drastically reducing carbohydrates and replacing them with healthy fats, you enter a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, efficiently using stored fat for energy. This dietary shift leads to numerous benefits, including weight loss, increased energy, and improved mental clarity. However, keto is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires commitment, understanding, and a willingness to adapt. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge to determine if keto is right for you. We'll delve into the fundamentals, debunk common misconceptions, and explore advanced strategies to maximize your success. This is your journey to lasting weight loss. Let's begin. Keto 101. Unlocking your body's fat-burning potential. The ketogenic diet revolves around a simple principle: shifting your metabolism from burning glucose or sugar to burning ketones or fat. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, its primary energy source. However, when you drastically reduce carbohydrate intake, your body seeks alternative fuel. This is where ketones come in. Ketones are produced by your liver from stored fat when glucose is scarce. They provide a clean and efficient energy source for your brain and body. Transitioning into ketosis typically takes a few days. During this period, you may experience some initial side effects, often called the keto flu. These are usually temporary and subside as your body adapts. To achieve ketosis, you generally need to limit your carbohydrate intake to 20 to 50 grams per day. This requires a significant shift in your eating habits, focusing on high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate foods. Understanding these basic principles is crucial for your keto journey. It empowers you to make informed choices and optimize your results. Keto myths, debunked, separating fact from fiction. The ketogenic diet, like many popular trends, has become shrouded in myths and misconceptions. It's essential to separate fact from fiction to make informed decisions about your health. One common misconception is that keto is dangerous and unhealthy. While any drastic dietary change should be approached with caution and ideally under medical supervision, a well-formulated ketogenic diet can be safe and effective. Another myth is that keto is all about loading up on bacon and butter. While healthy fats are crucial, a balanced keto diet emphasizes whole food sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. It's not a free pass to indulge in processed foods high in unhealthy fats. Furthermore, many believe that keto is unsustainable long-term. While it's true that the initial strict phase might be challenging, keto can be adapted into a more flexible lifestyle approach once you reach your goals. This ensures long-term sustainability and prevents weight regain. By debunking these myths, we can approach keto with a clear and realistic perspective, maximizing its potential benefits. Level up your keto. Advanced strategies for accelerated results. Once you've mastered the fundamentals of the ketogenic diet, you can explore advanced strategies to further enhance your results. Two popular approaches are targeted keto and cyclical keto. Targeted keto allows for strategic carbohydrate intake around workouts. By consuming a small amount of carbohydrates before or after exercise, you provide your muscles with readily available energy, potentially improving performance and recovery. This approach is often favored by athletes or those with physically demanding lifestyles. Cyclical keto, on the other hand, involves cycling between periods of strict keto and periods of higher carbohydrate intake. This can help replenish glycogen stores, potentially boosting energy levels and preventing plateaus. The timing and duration of these cycles vary, depending on individual needs and goals. It's important to note that these advanced strategies require careful planning and monitoring. Working with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can be beneficial to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs and maximizing results. Remember, personalization is key to any successful dietary approach. Turbocharge your keto with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, a popular weight loss and health optimization strategy, can be a powerful complement to the ketogenic diet. This approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, focusing on when you eat rather than what you eat. When combined with keto, intermittent fasting can amplify the benefits of both, accelerating fat burning and promoting cellular repair processes. There are various intermittent fasting protocols, such as the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The key is to find a protocol that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. During fasting periods, your insulin levels remain low, allowing your body to tap into fat stores for energy. This complements the ketogenic state, further promoting fat loss. However, it's crucial to approach fasting with caution, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Consulting with your doctor is advisable before making significant dietary changes. Supplement your journey. Keto-friendly aids for optimal success. While a well-formulated ketogenic diet should provide most of the nutrients your body needs, incorporating keto-friendly supplements can further support your journey. Electrolytes, which are essential minerals that regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions, are particularly important on keto. Due to the diuretic effect of carbohydrate restriction, you may experience electrolyte imbalances. Supplementing with electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium can help prevent fatigue, muscle cramps, and other symptoms. Another beneficial supplement is exogenous ketones, such as ketone esters or salts. These provide your body with a readily available source of ketones, potentially easing the transition into ketosis and enhancing its effects. Additionally, certain supplements can address specific needs or preferences. For instance, MCT oil, a type of fat that's easily converted into ketones, can provide a quick energy boost. Collagen peptides can support skin health, joint function, and satiety. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. They are meant to complement, not replace, your efforts. Staying motivated, conquering plateaus, and maintaining momentum. Embarking on a weight loss journey, especially one as transformative as the ketogenic diet, requires unwavering motivation. It's natural to experience periods of plateaus where progress seems to stall. During these times, it's crucial to remember your why. What motivated you to start this journey in the first place? Reconnect with your goals, whether it's improved health, increased energy, or enhanced confidence. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or online groups, who share your commitment to healthy living. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Every pound lost, every healthy meal choice, is a step in the right direction. Track your progress, not just in terms of weight, but also in how you feel, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keto recipes, find enjoyable ways to stay active, and prioritize self-care. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but with persistence and a positive mindset, you can achieve your goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Keto side effects. Understanding and managing the keto flu. As your body adapts to the ketogenic diet, you may experience some temporary side effects, often referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms, which typically last a few days, are a sign that your body is transitioning into ketosis. Common keto flu symptoms include headache, fatigue, muscle cramps, nausea, and constipation. These symptoms arise from the depletion of glycogen stores, which are your body's primary source of energy. As you restrict carbohydrates, your body starts burning through glycogen, leading to water loss and electrolyte imbalances. This can contribute to the flu-like symptoms. The good news is that these symptoms are usually mild and self-limiting. Staying hydrated is crucial as it helps replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. Electrolyte supplements, as discussed earlier, can also be beneficial. Getting adequate rest and listening to your body's cues are essential. If you experience severe or persistent symptoms, consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. With proper management, you can minimize the keto flu and enjoy the numerous benefits of the ketogenic diet. Your keto transformation begins today. Congratulations on taking this empowering step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. The ketogenic diet offers a transformative approach to weight loss and overall well-being. By understanding the fundamentals, debunking myths, and embracing advanced strategies, you can unlock your body's fat-burning potential and achieve lasting results. Remember, this is not just about shedding pounds, it's about nourishing your body, boosting your energy, and embracing a sustainable lifestyle. The journey might have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. As you embark on this exciting chapter, remember that you're not alone. Join our thriving community of keto enthusiasts, where you'll find support, inspiration, and a wealth of resources to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive tips, delicious recipes, and the latest advancements in ketogenic living. Your transformation begins today.